I'm not gonna waste your time. I won't give you any generic advice that's available on Google. I'll give you a roadmap that is actionable and actually works. This will make you money. If you have ever dreamed of turning your hobbies or expertise into a steady income stream, then this video is for you. Stick around till the end. Short-form video platforms like TikTok, YouTube Shorts, and Instagram Reels are exploding, and there's a secret method creators are using to make cash, but very few people and YouTube tutorials are actually talking about it. This method, my friend, that people are using to make huge money is by selling digital products. Well, you've been sold two big lies that are stopping you from making money. Or maybe they were true up to a decade earlier, but this is 2024. The first lie that you've sold is that you need a massive following to be able to make consistent income. That's certainly not true because, in fact, let me tell you its opposite is true. Just remember that you can either gain followers on social media or you can make money, both are completely separate things. Yes, there are people who are both famous, that is they have 1 million followers and also making money, but that's just double work. Why would you do that if you can make a decent amount with even a small audience? Let me give you another perspective on this. I've seen accounts with over 100K audience struggling to make even their first dollar online, while there are many accounts under 2,000 followers successfully making $10,000, $15,000 each month. That means strategy to gain followers and strategy to make money on social media are completely different stuff. The point here is that you've been told more followers mean more money is totally a BS. Second most common false belief among people is that creating a digital product is hard. It takes months to even write an ebook. While this was also true up to a decade ago, but now we are in 2024, with AI, you can easily build valuable resources for your viewers. Also forget the idea that digital products are intangible and lack value. In fact, they're often more profitable than physical products, with no inventory costs or shipping headaches. Think about it. With digital products like ebooks, templates, or online courses, you create them once and sell them repeatedly, generating passive income. They're easily scalable, reaching a global audience without geographical limitations. Best part is, digital products are sold with more than 90% profit margins. The global e-learning market is expected to reach $398 billion by 2026. People are hungry for knowledge and convenience. Short-form videos are the perfect gateway to deliver it. Short-form video platforms are the new marketing goldmine. They allow you to quickly showcase your expertise, build trust with potential customers, and drive traffic to your digital store, all in a fun and engaging format. Next, how can you leverage this power of short-form video platforms and digital products to make your first dollar online and potentially scale to making $1 million a year? Step 1. Find your niche. I've also talked about this in some of my previous videos, on how to find a niche without wasting much of your time. But for now, ask these questions to yourself. What are you passionate about? What problems can you solve for others? I know these questions might seem vague. Let me quickly help you with this. Everyone has solved some problem or the other in their lives. Write down the problem you've had and you solved it for yourself. This is the best way to find your niche. It'll take another video to just explain why it is the best thing you can do. Okay, for those of you who haven't solved any such problem in your life, that's rare though, but if you are one of them, then just observe what others are selling and is of your interest, and copy them intelligently, get their idea, analyze what are they missing, and how can you add value to it. Because good artists copy, great artists steal, as said by Pablo Picasso. Overall, and if nothing above made any sense to you, just keep your niche around the evergreen niches. Those are health, wealth and relationships. Another hack is to use AI tools like Answer the Public or BuzzSumo to identify trending topics and audience interests within your niche. Step 2. Make your digital product. Craft your irresistible offer. What unique value will your digital product provide? AI copywriting tools like Jarvis or RYTR can help you brainstorm compelling product descriptions and sales pages. I'd also recommend you guys to go to this URL and check this AI-powered website. It will basically design your lead magnet and guideline for your product. Not only that, it will create an entire funnel to sell your digital products. Now you have something to sell. You need someone to buy what you are selling. For that we would leverage short-form video content platforms as they are booming right now. You can choose any one from YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels or TikTok and start with only one of them. You don't want to start with all three simultaneously, that's a lot work. Smart way is to grow on one, and then you need to just channelize your audience from TikTok to YouTube or from YouTube to Instagram. That being said, let's see how to create content and market your product on these platforms. Step 3. Become a short-form video master. The reason why I asked you to stick to only one social media platform is because they all have different algorithms working behind them. So, start with the basics of the one platform that you decided to create content on. The basics are hooks, transitions, music, and storytelling. I won't tell you how to make videos with AI, that's because there are tons of full videos tutorials on YouTube on this. I'll only give you the raw scarce knowledge that you'll rarely find online. You'll learn to make videos via AI tools, but here's a catch, these AI tools are not smart enough to make content that'll go to your target audience. Here's the main task for you, you have to become better in the content game by yourself. Yes, you can do it by just putting 1 hour of your day aside completely dedicated for this. But keep that 1 hour aside with no distractions, as if your life depends on it, because it does. First of all, make a swipe file. It can be as simple as your Notes app or just a G-Doc. In that file you'll copy and paste the links to others' videos, the videos that are either viral or the ones which caught your attention or scroll stopped you. Your daily task is to just go through all those videos each morning, before you start making your content. All you need to do is personally look into the AI-generated video, and you'll try to notice things, like its hook isn't that good. And you'll find those boring words like realm, landscape, delve, unveil, etc. that are typically found in AI-generated content. You make sure you don't use too many of those words in any video. Let me also tell you about the video sequence, though others also talk about it. The video start with a attention-grabbing hook, then your actual value content. It could be a list of things, it could be a how-to, could be a sequence of steps, then the last but most important part of your video is the CTA, where you ask your viewers to go to the link your bio, if they like this video and want to learn more about it. Your hook is what make them stop, your content is what will make them keep reading till the end, your CTA is where the actual magic happens, that is what brings you more and more cash. Step 4. To actually start selling. Keeping it straightforward, you can use Gumroad to easily start selling your digital products, or you can make your own landing page. I personally prefer Gumroad, as you don't have to worry about many things that takes your time when you make your own landing page or website to sell. Short-form video platforms have democratized content creation, making it easier than ever to build a brand and sell digital products. Don't wait any longer. Let your inner entrepreneur come out. Last thing I want to say at that, it is much easier than doing any other business, be it brick and mortar or an ecom or crypto trading, or anything you could possibly think of. Leverage it, guys. The world is waiting for your unique expertise. Turn your passion into profit and build your digital product empire, one short video at a time. And yeah, hit on the subscribe button for more. I am writing a book on how to write better with AI, to not get those boring outputs from ChatGPT ever again. If you want a pre-order link, just comment down below and I'll give it to you in one of my upcoming videos this month.